looking your best at every age. It's really all we can ask for, right? And Angela Anderson and her team help make that happen for you. Angela is here from Diamond Medical Spa and Vein, and they have a great booth tomorrow at the Women's Fair as well, because everybody wants to hear about this. Everybody wants to have a little something, something, and look a little better. Nice to see you here today,
Thank you.
Angela.
Nice. Thank you for having me.
Let's talk about eyes first. You have some great before and after of what you guys do with eyes. Tell me about that laser.
Okay, we have the best laser in the world. It's called a Cyton Jewel, and it's a multi-modular machine, meaning the depth of resurfacing or the depth of problem that people have with their skin as they age, with wrinkling, and as we get older, we lose volume in our face. And
So this woman had that laser, the eye laser you're talking about, and it's primarily for wrinkle removal, or maybe a puffiness as well, or all of those issues.
Okay, our laser does everything from pigmentation issues, fine lines and wrinkles, a lot of sagging and hooding with eyebrows, and it does a complete, what's medically known as a blepharoplasty or a surgical eye lift, it leaves people not looking the same. Our laser makes you look exactly the way that you did only 15 and 20 years ago. So it completely ablates the skin and lifts everything and tightens.
Well, you can see what it did there with the hooded eyelid is, and that can become a vision issue as well, right?
Yes,
So you're a registered nurse and you're the clinical director there at Diamond. We also, so this is another, is this eyes?
She had a complete face ablation, and she had a real big problem with jowling and what's called a turkey neck. And so she got we call it the necklace procedure, and it's also done in our office under local anesthesia. It takes about an hour, and it's surgical sutures is what did that suspension.
That changed the shape of her face.
Yes.
I mean, it really did that. I mean, it's gravity that finally takes over, right?
It is.
So Angela, when you work with these gals, and I'm sure you've worked on men as well?
Yes.
And you must see such changes in the way they feel about themselves.
Absolutely. It does wonders. A lot of people think that they have to go to a plastic surgeon and get cut and scarred and be swelled up and have about 5 or 6 weeks downtime. The most downtime that you have getting procedures in our office is 7 to 9 days. So we tag our company as minimally invasive with maximum results.
All right. There you go. Well, you're going to be at the Women's Fair tomorrow, and I'm sure a lot of folks will come up with questions for you, and individual, I mean, they'll be looking at you saying, show me what you can do for me, right? Yes. So the Diamond Medical Spa and Vein, is meaning V-E-I-N, as it says there. You're going to be getting a lot of gals ready for the swimsuit season, right? With the legs. I know that's an issue for a lot. And on East 53rd in Davenport is where you'll find the office, and then tomorrow and Sunday at the River Center. Angela, good having you here today.
Thank you. Thank you
so
very
much.
much.